we have integral of x to power n times natural logarithm of x. So first, what we need to put that x must be greater than 0. We calculate only logarithm of positive values. Next, because we have multiplication here and we have natural logarithm of x, so it will be very easy to reduce natural logarithm of x when we put that f of x is equal natural logarithm of x. Why I did this? Because we need to use here integration by parts formula. Let me remind you this formula. When we have integral of f of x times g prime of x with respect to x, this is equal f of x times g of x minus integral of f prime of x g of x with respect to x. So now when we have f, we have to find f prime of x. This is equal 1 over x. Next, whatever left is our g prime. So we have g prime of x is equal x to power n. So antiderivative will be equal x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So now we have to just use this formula. We have, let me rewrite our example. We have integral of x to power n times natural logarithm of x with respect to x. This is equal. First we have to multiply f times g. So f is equal natural logarithm of x, and we have g, this is x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Next we have negative sign, and we have integral of f prime is 1 over x times g is, we can write that this is x to power n plus 1 times 1 over n plus 1. n plus 1 is constant with respect to x. So this is equal. I will put first x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 times natural logarithm of x, and we have negative sign. Because we have 1 over x, we can change this to power 4, so it will be x to power negative 1 times we have x to power n plus 1, and 1 over n plus 1 is constant, so we can put before integral symbol 1 over n plus 1. We have integral with respect to x. Now we have here multiplication and we have the same base, so we will add exponent. Let me copy beginning, x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 natural logarithm of x minus 1 over n plus 1, and we will have integral of x to power negative 1 plus n plus 1. This is n with respect to x. So this is equal. We have x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 natural logarithm of x minus 1 over n plus 1 integral of power function. So we will use formula that this is equal times x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus constant c, of course. So this is equal. We can factorize x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. In parentheses we will have natural logarithm of x minus 1 over n plus 1 plus constant c. This is my solution.